A unique and fun way to make money. Get paid up to $500. Pretty cool. So what you'll be learning in this video today is where to find the website, where to sign up for free, how it's done, a step-by-step little guide there, how much money you can earn, and how to make thousands of dollars every month with a different method. If you have any questions at any time, please leave them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you choose to do so. Also, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description from below for making money online. It's a huge community of people. Everyone helps each other out there. You can make thousands there. It's really cool. Also, if this video technique, this method mentioned in this video is not for you, check out my thousands of other videos. I make a billion videos, well, not billions, hundreds of videos about making money online. And remember to take action on any of this stuff. If you want anything to work here, you're going to want to take action, because if you don't take action on any of this stuff, it's just more information that you accumulate. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's get right into this. All right, so this website is called Airmule, and it's a really cool way when you're traveling to make money per round trip. See, fly here, you get $500 per trip. You just sign up right there for free. It's really simple. How it works, basically what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be taking packages with you to different locations. So you're going to list your trip, and then if there's something available for you to take, you're going to take this package to, let's say you're flying from New York to LA or whatever. So you're going to list that, and then if there's a package for you to take, you're going to take one, and then you can have someone else take one as well. And they have the package ready for you to go right there. Pick up the shipments and departures. All shipments come to pre-packed, box like so. And of course, you could check inside the box too. In fact, they encourage you to do so. There's nothing, illegal or anything in there. They check at it's the airport, so it's not going to be crazy or nothing like that. And then you complete the delivery, and then you just drop your shipment off. And that's pretty much how it goes. Now, there's definitely a frequent asked questions here. You're definitely going to want to check out. Like, can I expect the shipments myself? Absolutely. Can children fly? Do you have to have a mobile app? Or do you have a mobile app? Currently, no, but they'll probably have one by the time you watch this video, depending on when you watch this video. There's some reviews down here that you can read, all kind of stuff. There's blog posts. Now, this is not available everywhere, so you're going to check the routes here. And again, by the time you're watching this video, there could be a lot more added. So look, US to China, $100, $100 here, $100 there. US to London, $240. US to Dubai, $300. Now you can do these round trips too, so this is just one way, so that's pretty cool. That's why you make the 500. Some of these are coming soon. US to London, US to France. Some of these places, Thailand to US. You could learn more right here. $100 just for taking a box with you. Okay, so you must be over 18. All kind of other stuff like that. Departure, airports. There's all kind of stuff here. Like I said, you gotta check it out. So this is great if you're traveling a lot. Another really cool way to make money while you're traveling, or just when I'm work from home, is a website called Wealthy Affiliate here. It's my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. You get a free membership there and free coaching and stuff like that. You have Cal as a coach. You have me as a coach if you use my link, because I'll be connected with you right away in the network. $6,000 in the last 5 months. Just sold 2 sites for $9,000. How much money can you make with AdSense? 31 sales in 31 days. Sweet. These are just some success stories I'm reading here from today's blog. $100 first day. My journey to 1,600. Almost 5,000 for the month of December. These are just different posts that people put up here. So like I said, it's a huge community. Finally made 1,300 a project. And you'll get a membership right here. Like I said, it's a free membership. And there's all kinds of stuff going on here. You get free websites, you get free training. It's a really cool way to make money, to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So you would definitely want to check this out, folks, as well. So anyways, that is all for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I have hundreds of other videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. You definitely want to check out this site. And if you fly a lot, check out the other site as well. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.